Are you tired of being glued to your smartphone and overwhelmed by constant notifications? It's time to simplify your life in 2025 with the best dumb phones. These devices are perfect for anyone seeking minimalism, better focus, or a reliable backup phone for emergencies. Whether you're escaping the digital clutter or looking for rugged reliability, dumb phones are making a major comeback with a modern twist. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. Unihertz Jelly Star. The Unihertz Jelly Star is a remarkably compact smartphone that packs impressive features despite its tiny form factor. It boasts a 3.03-inch IPS display with a resolution of 480x854 pixels, making it one of the smallest Android devices on the market. Powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core chipset and equipped with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 512 GB via microSD, it delivers smooth performance for basic tasks and light gaming. The phone runs on Android 13, ensuring up-to-date software compatibility. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate its 48MP rear camera with autofocus and HDR capabilities, while the 8MP front-facing camera is adequate for selfies and video calls. The 2000 mAh battery might feel small but aligns with its compact size and energy-efficient components. Other notable features include NFC support, dual SIM capability, Bluetooth 5.2, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Jelly Star's translucent design adds a touch of uniqueness, appealing to users who value both style and utility. Priced around $240, depending on the retailer, the Jelly Star is ideal for minimalists or those seeking a secondary phone with full smartphone functionality. However, it may not suit heavy users due to its small screen and modest battery. If portability and a unique design are your priorities, this phone could be the perfect fit. Number 4. Punkt MP02. The Punkt MP02 is a minimalist, distraction-free mobile phone designed for those who value simplicity and privacy. Key features include a durable polycarbonate body with Gorilla Glass 3 protection, a 2.0-inch sunlight-readable display, and an intuitive interface powered by the 'OS, which emphasizes security and minimalism. The phone supports 4G LTE connectivity, includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2, and offers basic tools like messaging and voice calls, as well as Pigeon, an encrypted messaging app. Battery life is reliable, with a 1,280 mAh battery for extended use. With a price of approximately $379, the MP02 is splash-proof, IP52 rated, and recyclable, aligning with eco-conscious values. This phone is ideal for users who want to escape smartphone distractions while maintaining essential connectivity. It's not suited for those needing app ecosystems or multimedia capabilities, but shines for anyone seeking a focused and private communication tool. Number 3. BLU Tank Mega T570. The BLU Tank Mega T570 is a durable feature phone designed for those who prioritize ruggedness and essential functionality over modern smartphone features. It comes with IP65 rated water and dust resistance and a reinforced housing, making it suitable for outdoor or industrial environments. It has a 2.4-inch TFT display with a resolution of 240x320 pixels, ensuring basic clarity for texting and calling. The phone features a 3600 mAh battery, offering long-lasting performance for those on the go. It supports dual SIM functionality for users who need to manage 2 numbers simultaneously. For storage, it has 4 GB of internal memory and 512 MB of RAM, with an option to expand up to 32 GB via a micro SD card. In terms of connectivity, the phone includes Bluetooth 3.0, GPRS, and Edge, but lacks Wi-Fi and GPS. Its cameras, both front and rear, are basic at 2MP, making them useful for minimalistic photography. Additional features include an LED flashlight, which is a handy tool in low-light conditions. As of now, the BLU Tank Mega T570 is priced at around $40–50, depending on the retailer. It's a great choice for those seeking a reliable backup device, a work phone for rugged environments, or a simple handset for users who don't need advanced features like internet browsing or apps. This phone is ideal if you value durability, extended battery life, and simplicity. However, it's not suited for users looking for modern smartphone capabilities or high-speed connectivity. Number 2. Wisephone 2. The Wisephone 2 by Techless is designed for users seeking a distraction-free, mindful smartphone experience. Running on the proprietary Wise OS, this device prioritizes privacy and simplicity by eliminating social media, browser access, and app stores. It features a 6.5-inch HD display, triple cameras with a 64MP main sensor, 128GB of internal storage expandable up to 256GB, and USB-C fast charging. With no ads, data tracking, or unnecessary notifications, the phone encourages healthier tech habits and extends battery life significantly. The Wisephone 2 is crafted with premium materials combining glass and aluminum for durability. The phone comes preloaded with essential tools like phone, messaging, maps, music, and photos while avoiding invasive data collection practices. This makes it particularly appealing to those seeking a minimalistic digital lifestyle without compromising functionality. Priced at around $399, the Wisephone 2 is ideal for anyone looking to reduce screen time, enhance focus, and embrace privacy-first technology. If you value a stress-free digital environment and need a device that delivers the basics efficiently, this phone is an excellent choice. However, it may not be suitable for users relying on conventional smartphone features like app ecosystems or advanced productivity tools. Number 1. Nokia 5710 XpressAudio. The Nokia 5710 XpressAudio is a unique feature phone designed for users who prioritize audio and simplicity over advanced smartphone capabilities. It sports a 2.4-inch TFT display with a resolution of 240x320 pixels, providing basic visual clarity. Its Unisoc T107 chipset powers the phone, paired with 48mm RAM for smooth operation of essential tasks. The device includes 128MB of internal storage, expandable up to 32GB via a microSD card, offering ample space for music and other lightweight files. A standout feature of the Nokia 5710 XpressAudio is its built-in wireless FM radio, MP3 player, and detachable earbuds that can be stored neatly within the phone itself. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.0 and a micro USB 2.0 port, but it lacks Wi-Fi and GPS capabilities. It runs on a 1450mAh removable battery, delivering up to 6.3 hours of talk time on 4G networks. The phone's camera setup is minimal, featuring a 0.3 MP rear camera with LED flash, primarily for basic photo needs. It supports 4G VoLTE, but does not include 5G. Priced around $79, depending on the region. The Nokia 5710 XpressAudio is an affordable choice for music enthusiasts who want a reliable secondary device or prefer a distraction-free experience. Is it the right device for you? This phone is perfect if you're looking for a feature-rich alternative to smartphones with a focus on music and simplicity. However, it's not ideal for those seeking modern connectivity or multitasking capabilities. Its durable build and audio-focused features make it a great option for outdoor use, travel, or as a backup phone.